If you're looking for the best eyebrow brushes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Kingma's professional angled eyebrow brush. This high-quality eyebrow brush by Kingmas is firm and comfortable to hold. It has an angled brush on one side and a professional-grade spoolie on the other side. The angled brush helps define and shape your brows, while the spoolie helps in blending and grooming. The firm bristles are made of synthetic fiber and are easy to clean. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Docolor Duo Eyebrow Brush. This aesthetically pleasing eyebrow brush by Dockler has an angled brush on one end and a spoolie brush on the other. The bristles are made of artificial fiber wool, and the handles are made with wood. The aluminum tube effortlessly holds the strands in place. Thus, they do not come off quickly. The texture of the bristles is delicate and ensures a gentle application without hurting your skin. The spiral design of the spoolie brush helps brush out your long eyelashes, and the angled brow brush helps outline the delicate brow shape. These brushes can be easily cleaned with warm water and cleaning liquid. The number 3 position is held by Keshima Premium Eyebrow Duo Brush. This versatile eyebrow brush by Keshima is perfect for use with gel, powder, and cream fillers. It helps sculpt your brows easily while cutting down the application time. The dual-sided design is ideal for designing, grooming, and blending your brows. The firm bristles are made with AA synthetic hair, while the wand is crafted with quality wood for added durability. Next at number 4, we have Aesthetica Pro Series Double-Ended Brush. The double-sided eyebrow brush by Aesthetica made with the highest quality synthetic bristles that provide clean and precise application. The angled brush on one end can help fill and shape your eyebrows with defined strokes and even color distribution. The spoolie brush on the other end helps groom, blend, and shape your brows and lashes. It works with all brow products like gels, stencils, creams, and powders. The number 5 position is held by Vertex Beauty Eyebrow Brush Kit. This eyebrow brush kit by Vertex contains a small angled brush, a dual angled and spoolie brush, a contour brush, and an angled brow definer. The slight angled brush allows thinner application as it offers better control for brow shaping without a stencil. The contour brush is ideal for concealing and contouring the edges around the eyes. The dual spoolie and angled brush is perfect for adding density and blending your brows. It also acts as an eyelash or mascara clump remover. The angled brow definer is used for distinctive contour shaping and adding details with primers or cream. This eyebrow brush set features seamless and soft bristles that are hypoallergenic and gentle, thus preventing skin irritations. The brushes are lightweight and compact, which makes them ideal for on-the-go applications. The easy grip handles ensure precise control and sturdy hold. The number 6 position is dominated by Anastasia Beverly Hills Brush. This professional dual-ended eyebrow brush is made with strong synthetic fibers that create hair-like strokes for a flawless finish. The spoolie end blends the product with ease, while the angled end helps you create hair-like strokes with ease. The handle of the brush is firm and sturdy and ensures a comfortable grip. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Boao Duo Eyebrow Brush. This dual eyebrow brush by Boao features 2 different heads that allow you to create an even and delicate eyebrow look. These brushes are made with aluminum, plastic, and nylon for added durability and easy cleaning. Each brush measures approximately 5.6 inches in length, thus perfect for storing in your vanity purse. It comes in 2 different colors to choose from, red and silver. The number 8 position is held by Benlily Eyebrow Brush Kit. This handcrafted eyebrow brush kit by Benlily contains 4 different brushes. The shaded brush helps conceal fine lines and creates a clean finish. The flat brush creates sharp lines along the eyebrows and can also be used to clean up any mishaps. The angled brush creates precise lines that mimic natural hairs and can also be used to draw a wing liner. The dual-headed brush has an angled brush at one end and a spoolie on the other, which can be used to groom and fill in your brows. This set is ideal to use with any brow products, cream, powder, gel, or pomade. Next at number 9, we have Vosaidi Eyebrow Brush Set. This mini angled brush set by Vosaidi is made with high-quality nylon fiber bristles, aluminum ferrules, and plastic handles. The compact design makes them fit perfectly into your palette or compact from-the-go applications. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Tweezerman Dual-Ended Angled Brow Brush. This dual-ended angled brow brush by Tweezerman is a must-have in your vanity. The thin and firm angled bristles in the brush create a natural and feathered look. The short and tapered spoolie allows you to create a precise application. This brush can be used to highlight and define your brows or as an eyeliner applicator. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.